as you already know, the preposition a, the Italian a, can indicate the place where one person is, where one person goes, studies, eats, etc. But at the same time, the preposition a can also indicate the recipient of an action. So, for example, if you want to say, I bring something to someone, to bring in Italian is portare. So, I bring a book to Giovanni. Io porto a book, un libro, to Giovanni. Giovanni is the recipient of the action, the person who received the action. So, io porto un libro a Giovanni. Ok. To whom? A Giovanni. Io porto un libro a Elena, etc. So every time that you want to indicate the recipient of an action, and the recipient of an action is a proper name like Giovanni, Elena, Maria, Antonio, etc., you just use that preposition a. But when you need to indicate a person, not with a proper name, but with a common name, and I mean professore, studente, amico, etc., etc., you must remember that the preposition a, English a, combines with articles. So a plus articles, definite article. And in this case, you must simply remember what is the result of the combination. So let's say I bring a book to the professor. In this case, it's not just simply to, but it's to the professor. So that to the in Italian will be the combination with a plus the definitive article. So il, lo, la, etc. So what is the article that you will place in front of professor? Professore in Italian will be il. Okay, il professore. So in this case, I will be in front of it. So io porto il libro a il professore. Italian combines the two elements in only one word, and the result will be al professore. And the same things happen with all the other articles. So instead of professore, if I use professoressa, the article that I place in front of professoressa is la. So in this case, the combination will be a plus la, and the result will be alla professoressa. So I bring a book to the professor, female professor, will be porto un libro alla professoressa, and so on. So you can have a plus il, al, then a plus lo, allo, a plus l apostrophe, a with two L and apostrophe, al, and this one works for the feminine and the masculine nouns, starting with vowels, and then, for example, if you want to say all'amica, all'amico, you will use this one. And then you have the plural. I'm sorry, there is another one, a plus la, so the feminine a plus la, that is alla. And then we have the plural, let me make some space here. A plus I equal I. For example, to professors, to the professors, it will be ai professori. Io porto un libro ai professori. Then we have a plus gli, result agli. To the students, agli studenti. And then we have a plus le, the feminine plural, alle. To the female students, it would be alle studentesse. Now, since we also use a with a verb piacere, for example, you know that mi piace is equal a me piace. No, we use this a, even the piacere construction. And in fact, you see that we use that preposition when we say a Mario piace mangiare. Mario likes eating. A Mario piace mangiare. So the same preposition is used in Italian with a verb piacere. Now, same thing. If instead of Mario, that is a proper noun, you have a regular noun, like again, professore, and you want to say the professor likes eating, it's not simply a professore, because professore requires an article in front of it, so it will be a plus il. So you have learned that the combination a plus il is al, and so it will be al professore piace mangiare. The professor likes eating. So you use the same combination, article and preposition, when you have common names with a piacere construction.